Just so we're clear, I really cannot stand consultants.
This is pretty much the first thing that this CEO told me when we hopped on a call. He also added,
Because if you think you can just walk into our company and tell us how to run our business, well, you must be high.
fair point. I mean, he is the founder and CEO of the business. He's been in business successfully for about 25 years. He probably knows a lot more about it than I ever will. So I told him, you're right. You know much more about your business than I will. I'm not here to tell you how to run your business. But the challenge you're working on, we've seen this a couple of times in other industries and other places. You know, we can bring perspectives from outside your world, patterns we've seen, insights we've gathered, maybe even some early ideas that already applied successfully elsewhere. And perhaps more importantly, we will probably ask you some very different questions, perhaps maybe even some very naive questions, things that you've stopped challenging so many years ago. You don't even question them anymore. And then you tell us, you know, what is useful. You tell us where we can best apply this within your business. And that's pretty much how I've looked at it ever since. Of course, your clients know more about their business than you do. It doesn't mean that you can't add value. I think the value you can add is understand that most business, you know, or most people in business are like a bit like a frog in a well. They have a very, very deep knowledge, very deep understanding of their industry, of their business, of their products, but it's often also very narrow. They've been in that business for years, they're surrounded by people from that same world, and their thinking can be quite similar. It's almost impossible to see the outside sometimes. You can get a bit lost in that. And sometimes that's exactly what you need somebody from the outside for. Not to give you all the answers, but to at least ask you very different questions around the challenge at hand.